Hey y'all, it's VaderVengeance, and today we have Celeste. I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this. Okay, just brushing it out. This looks like a clown. This looks like evening gown. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of dry shampoo. I have the Batiste brand here, and this is just gonna help take off some of that shine. It just occurred to me that this is a wig and I can take it off and I don't have to spray it into my face. I sprayed this side with dry shampoo, and this one is the natural color. Now that looks extremely different. Yeah, okay. Don't spray as much as I did. Easy way to fix this is just to kind of smush it in there. A little better. The good thing about this is that this is a wig. If all else fails, just buy another one. Or say you never got it and ask them to send another one for free. The last thing I like to do to make a wig more realistic is to cut face framing hairs down the side. Moose, you trying to go somewhere? I think that's it. So jumping into the positives and negatives. The negatives, some of them you all already heard. The part. You have to do work to get it to look even a little bit natural, but once you do some plucking, you're good to go. Other things that we already mentioned were the shine and the curl. Another negative, this wig is the smallest wig cap I have ever purchased. I have over 25 wigs, and this one is falling off of my head, y'all. It's coming off. I would definitely recommend a wig grip under this because it's slipping and sliding like a damn slip and slide. The positives. Are there any? Let's find out. The positives of this wig is, I don't know, what is a positive?
Selfie-worthy styles.
So the positives are, it makes a good windmill. No, I don't know. Lord. My hair, oh my God. I swear, it doesn't always look like that. That's why I wear wigs, y'all. Oh my God. I do like the color, but if you want a little more natural looking bright color wig, I would go with Outre Celeste. It's one of my favorite wigs. It comes in a pastel pink color and it's bomb. A lot of the colorful wigs either come in short up to your ears or long down to your feet. So I like this in between length just because it's not so long that it's incredibly hard to deal with and that there are a lot of tangles. This one, a little snag when you brush through it, but not as much as some of the longer and straighter wigs that I have. Let's get to styling. Ew. Okay, so that's about it, y'all. I'd say she styles pretty well and she held up to the test. So I would definitely recommend, what the f is her name again? I would definitely recommend Outre Celeste. What color was that? I would definitely recommend Outre Celeste in color OM Indigo Dip. So that's about it, y'all. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.